Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that s to the power of 3 we can put into s and s square. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Because we have s square, so I will put this one go to the left, u go to the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and this one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. S where we change for 1 minus u. S, the s we change for negative 1 over 2 du. Next, we put this one multiply by number 1 and u. And this one that is about 5 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So the integration of this one, we put 3 over 2 gone here. So 3 over 2 plus 1, we have 5 over 2. And the next one, that is about 7 over 2. About u, that is about this one, 1 minus s square. This is the end. Thank you for watching.